How to make the most powerful juice that naturally removes kidney stones and gallstones. According to statistics, 1 in 10 people suffer from the occurrence of kidney stones at some point in life, and the newest studies have shown that the incidence of kidney stones is greater than ever. The leading causes of kidney stones include insufficient water intake, too salty or sugary foods, excessive, insufficient physical activity, weight loss surgery, obesity, as well as infections or genes. The risk of developing kidney stones might also be increased due to high consumption of fructose, which is found in table sugar and high fructose corn syrup. The urine dissolves waste materials, and when too much waste builds up in reduced amounts of liquid, it stimulates the formation of crystals. These crystals join with other solid formations that might appear when not removed on time. Kidney stones are prevented if there is a proper amount of liquid which eliminates these chemicals, such as urate, phosphate, calcium, oxalate, cystine, xanthine. Yet, when formed, these stones might remain in the kidney or travel down the urinary tract into the ureter. If they do not move, they lead to a backup of urine in the kidney, ureter, the bladder or the urethra, and causes great pain. Yet, if the formed stones are smaller, they can leave the body without leading to great pain. You should drink high amounts of filtered water and other fluids to prevent kidney stones. Moreover, the following tips can help you protect yourself from their formation. Avoid high calcium foods. Avoid foods rich in sodium. Lower the intake of animal protein foods. Lemons contain citric acid which dissolves calcium crystals. Avoid foods rich in oxalate content, as if combined with calcium and iron, oxalate forms crystals which may be excreted in urine or might create even bigger kidney stones that can obstruct the kidney tubules. You should not consume soybeans, hazelnuts, cashews, peanuts, almonds, black tea, wheat bran, and spinach. Watermelon is a potent diuretic which is extremely high in water and will stimulate the removal of kidney stones. Kidney stones are dissolved by potassium. Drink a glass of water before going to sleep, throughout the night when you wake up, and before you go back to bed. The following juice will help you treat kidney stones completely naturally. Kidney stone juice recipe. Ingredients: 4 slices of organic watermelon, 1 organic lemon, 1 organic orange, peeled, 1 organic apple, 4 ice cubes. Instructions: just blend all the ingredients in a blender, and enjoy this refreshing drink. Its effects are quick and impressive. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.